Vern Analytica. We are the most experienced WhatsApp marketing consultant in the market. We create WhatsApp channels so our clients can communicate in an efficient and scalable way with their followers. We analyze follower profiles to classify and send high-impact campaigns. With more than 7 years of experience offering communication solutions via WhatsApp to large companies, political parties, public organizations, universities, and sports clubs, we provide the necessary tools to attract, communicate, and convert your followers. Our registration system, subscribe, and cancellations, unsubscribe, is voluntary and complies with international ethical requirements, thus avoiding spam. Services. Design and implementation of scalable WhatsApp channels with no user limit, tailored to the structure, needs, and goals of each client for the automatic delivery of audio-visual content, text, and links to your followers. Creation, coordination, implementation, and monitoring of WhatsApp marketing campaigns according to each client's objectives. Segmentation and profiling of followers according to parameters such as gender, age, religion, city, personal and political preferences, etc., to optimize the content and impact of the messages. Coordination of campaigns to attract users, SMS, social networks, TV, radio, press, BTL activations. 3 registration options for followers, subscriptions, custom-made web page, QR codes for printed media, links for digital media, WhatsApp with immediate reception, 2-way communication option, and a reading percentage close to 100% outperforms in impact and cost social networks, TV, radio, and press combined. 2 out of 3 WhatsApp channel followers end up voting for the candidate. Just tell us how many followers you need to attract and in what area.